We have a grading system for sciences and humanities, where sciences are graded between 0 and 24, you get 1 point, 25 to 29, 2 points, all the way down where you get 75 to 100 is 12 points. Humanities are graded much differently, so that 0 to 29 is 1 point, all the way down where 80 to 100 is 12 points. Now we have our students here, James, Mary, David, all the way down to Marianne. Humanities is English and Swahili, which are graded the same as humanities, that is history, geography, Swahili and English. Then sciences came bio, physics, and mathematics is also graded the same as sciences, so that whenever you get 61 for chemistry, then we'll refer the table on sciences where it falls from 60 to 64, you get 9 points. Now the grading table down here requires us to find where if it is English, we pick the grading system from humanities and place the grade here or the number of points. Then finally, we are going to add the points such that we only add English, Swahili, any two from sciences, then geography and history plus mathematics. So it's like we are saying English plus Swahili, the best two between chemistry, biology and physics, plus mathematics, geography and business or history, then put that as your points. Now the best function to use here is the VLOOKUP function, but with approximate match or closest match. So we'll write equal sign, so we'll go to formulas, then insert function. Then from insert function, I'm going to look for VLOOKUP. If it's the latest function that you most recently used, you'll get it here. You can also type VLOOKUP here and search for it. VLOOKUP is part of the lookup and reference functions. Then I'll click OK. So I'll get VLOOKUP, come there. Then VLOOKUP, I'm going to look up for, so VLOOKUP has three parts: the lookup value, table array, column index, and the range lookup. Our lookup will be the grade that we'll be looking for. We are looking for English in the grading table for humanities, which is this table. Then I'm going to use F4 to lock it so that it doesn't move. Then the column index I'm looking for is the number of points, which is the column number 3, 1, 2, 3. So give me also in column 3 and give me approximate match, which you can type 1 or true. Then you click OK. Now you'll get 12 because English here is 96, and from our grading system you'll see that it falls between 80 and 100. So we are going to copy this down and apply that as well to Swahili. We'll get a grading system for Swahili so that we pick for humanities, and when I double click you can see we are looking up for 98 in that table of humanities. On sciences, I'm going to use the same function, so I'll go to insert function, then insert VLOOKUP. Okay, VLOOKUP for chemistry, the points for chemistry or the marks for chemistry in the table for grading sciences. Then I'm going to use F4 so that I do absolute reference. Then I'm going to pick column number 3, which is column D, for grading an exact match. I can use 1 or true, then click OK. Then I'm going to copy this so that I use this for the grading for all chemistry, biology, physics and mathematics. Then I copy this downwards. Once I'm done, I'll do the same. You can copy the functions here, but so copy, then I paste it on humanities and paste here, and you can see it has picked my geography, which is that 1 point on the table of humanities. Then I'm going to do that and paste it down here. Thanks for watching.